Test 135. Trial and error of trying to get the speed of a quick guy. If I take the energy converter, place it upon the fast tracker, turn it on, the battery should harness the energy, take it to the main frame, take it to the main component to harness the energy, and I just take this, and I touch it, and energy should be harnessed into my body.
Oh, come in. I might say it, Clyde. You did get here pretty fast, kid.
Well, I guess you could say I'm a pretty quick guy.
Yeah, that's for sure. God, this weather is beautiful, though, isn't it?
It is.
I mean, it's white clouds, the trees blowing, it's perfect.
Green grass. Like it.
You just feel that?
Yeah.
Hold on. Okay, what was that? Dude, I have no idea what that explosion was. That will... Bro, what are you doing? You is not Batman. Get down.
This is Spider-Man, but okay.
Okay, get down.
Dude!
Wait, dude, what?
Hey. What happened?
Well, I woke up outside. I opened the door. I walked through the door. I came inside. I went.
Keep going.
I'm just gonna. Well, I woke up outside. So I opened the back door. I walked through it. I closed it behind me. I walked into the bathroom. And you were asleep in the bathtub. What's with that? Huh? You think you're tough? And you sleep in whatever bathtub you want? Huh? What?
What time is it?
Well, what did you say? What time is it? Okay. Well, it's 2:30.
What? What's half past due?
Anyways, how'd you end up in the bathtub?
Well, I don't really know. You know, I mean, I woke up, you were still passed out, and I went to the bathroom, and the rest is history.
Well, are you feeling okay? You good?
I mean, I'm okay, you know, I feel fine. But in reality, I'm really not fine.
Well, I gotta go to the bathroom.
Okay.